Hi, I'm Terry Dixon, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Adventures for Anyone, named after my long-standing blog of the same name, Adventures for Anyone, over on Blogger. I'm trying to teach myself how to make YouTube videos, so please bear with me, follow along, and we'll get there. I am using my YouTube channel to spotlight some of the great things you can do by taking the trains, subways, ferries, and all the public transportation that we have around the Northeast Corridor. I love to travel this way. I love to go all over. One of my favorite places to go is New York. Last week, I uploaded a few of the videos that I took at one of my favorite places, the New York Botanical Garden. And today, I'm going to show you a little bit more of the fun you can have down there. This is in the Bronx. It takes me 4 trains to get there from where I live. I go from Waterbury to Bridgeport on the Waterbury line. I switch to the New Haven line and I go from Bridgeport to Stamford, where I board the local train into New York. I get off at Fordham Road and then I turn around and get on the White Plains line and go back one stop to visit the New York Botanical Garden. So in this video, from here on out, you're going to be watching some great things that go on down there. One is the model train show that they have at Christmas time. I went down there. It's in the conservatory. It's absolutely great. And the other one is the orchid show, which happens from February through spring at the New York Botanical Garden, combined with a Mexican modernism show. So it's wonderful stuff. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you bear with me as I get much better at making videos on this channel. Thank you. So that was some of the wonderful things that go on down at the New York Botanical Garden. Like I said, join me. There are literally hundreds of trains that go around the area. The Northeast Corridor is an amazing place to live. And it won't be long before I'm doing some traveling abroad. I will be also showing you some footage of my last fall trip over to Portugal. There's going to be a lot of fun here on Adventures for Anyone. I hope you enjoy what you see, and I hope that I get better at this so it'll be more fun to watch. So thank you for joining me. Join me again next week for my next videos on Adventures for Anyone.